Cover this in my face. Cover in my face. Did you see the people they coming for? Yeah. What?
Somebody in my family died today.
Do I look like I care about your family?
That is the problem. You don't care about nobody.
Who said I have to care about somebody? I hate you poor people.
The people, they're having problems with you.
Did you hear what she said?
Sir.
Tell her again, I hate poor people. They make me look poor. Tell her. Ugh. Tell her something.
He said he hates poor people.
I don't care. He's poor himself. He just have a little more money.
He said you're poor.
Did you call me poor?
Yes, sir.
Poor! How dare you? Look at your face. Look at my face. Look at your clothes. Look at my clothes. Who's poor?
You.
You come without shoes. Look at my shoes.
You have no shoes on.
But my foot look better than yours. Look at your foot. You look like you don't take no shower for 15 days. Where do you live? What's your name?
Why do you need my name when you hate poor people?
Because I'm the president, I have to know everybody's name.
And who said that?
The law. The Nigerian law. Did you hear that? I signed that bill last year. You didn't know? So you don't know what I do, but you come here when you're hungry. Is that right?
I'm not hungry.
Yes, you are. Why are you crying in front of me now?
I want some money for the funeral.
What funeral?
My grandpa died.
Is that my problem? He was old. He's supposed to die. Why you care?
I wish you died too.
Did she say what? In the name of Jesus Christ, I will never, never die. Not when you are still alive. Do you hear me? Tell her, get her out of my face. She just bring my temper. I'm about to bomb.
You need to learn how to cut your hair too. I will get you for this.
She said she's going to get my hair.
Yes, sir.
Why does she care about my hair? Make sure she don't get my hair. I know they want hair like this. They cannot get it. Make sure. Go.
Yes,
go. Otherwise, you will be yourself poor one day. Useless. These people make me crazy. This is my day. I'm enjoying. With your hand. The money wasn't all going to me. I'm not giving you nothing. You will just be with me. You need food, that's all. Do you hear?
Yes.
Yes. Move this chair. Let me dance. Move! Come here, man. That's what pick it up. Pick it! Pick it up. You put it in my hand. Put the glasses. Oh yeah. This is my day. Oops, oops. Pick it up. I said what they will get them.
We are ready.
What's your problem?
Only I can call me.
What is your problem?
What is your problem?
We came for you! You!
Move. You move.
You watch your
Kaka,
mouth.
move. Or you will die too. Move.
Stay. You want money, right? You better get this.
Oh no, the best
Call the military. Call the military.
We want
We don't
money
have no
too.
military, so-
What do you mean? Give me the phone. Give me.
Where's my money?
Hold it. Stay.
I want the funeral.
Hello, General.
Where's
Yes. It's war.
We want.
Where's the
I
military?
want my
Where's
funeral.
my money?
No military.
You
Where's
want
my money?
Or you die.
I don't care about you. You better run for your life.
Run from this. Come back. Come back and we're done together.
They got your president.
No. Why are you still alive? I thought you were dead.
No, sir. I ran too.
You better run for your life because if they cut you, I'm not coming back for you. Sir?
Yeah. Use your glasses, sir.
Glasses. I know you're trying to take. You're not getting these glasses. Is that them?
In the truck.